I begin to I begin to
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I need you, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling more than right in his care. So I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling more than right in his care. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could Be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things
Good morning, 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 morning. It's a morning. It's a morning. It's a morning. I've never been so happy. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Pinky, and I call them Pinky _Hustler Mami. In this channel, we do motherhood, lifestyle content. We also hustle. We do them in the form of vloggy. If you have been here, we have hopped on the train from day one. Oh, darling, but if you are watching it, wena obosa edibosa. Hoshaka mahua. Yes, mutsuwacha. In all things that I have bought, this was like, what do you mean? What do you mean? I have a coffee machine. I have an espresso machine. I never thought I would own one because of how things were turning out. But God said, not on my watch. Not on my watch, my gaily. But as you know, our kitchen is very small. We'll see how we work around it. I know some people say we don't like too much on the countertops, guys. Rona, our kitchens are very small. There's no way I can even say I don't like so much on the countertop. I don't have a spacious kitchen. I'm staying in Lokshin, so our sides are very small. Yeah, guys, let's unbox. Let's unbox and see what I have bought. But this one will come the last ne. I bought this. Please, if you haven't liked the video, guys, please like it now. I mean now. Like the video now. Please, and don't skip it. Understand? Don't skip it. I bought kitty this. Sure. I know some people are saying but guys, kitty are very common there because kitula location. I give out what that way. Oh, I say it. Even cutie. I think Khali. I know it's very nice. I love it down and out. It's nice. I love it. That's number one. Number two. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. Shem, I don't want to lie. Okay, let me tell you the backstory. There's this other lady who had chubaba. I don't know what chubaba is. Pigmentation here. Like, it was bad for years. Then I asked her now it's gone. It's no longer there. So I asked her, now what are you using, my darling? Then she told me, but no, girl, I used Zero Spot just to remove those pigmentation. So I do have some that I don't like. So I'll try this zero spot, but if it doesn't work, I'll let you guys know. So I bought the combo, I bought the cream, I bought the soap, I bought the hair lotion intensive, and something like fish oil, but I'm going to read about it. I don't know what it contains and all the stuff. I don't know, guys. This was $155. Then I bought the usual, which is Gani products that I'm using. Yo, let me go and collect the knife. We are also going to unbox this, ne? But let me put it down. The Gani. You are far because I wanted you to see everything. Everything. I'll see if when I'm editing I can zoom. Guys, this is the usual. Is vitamin C booster serum. It's for day. And then this one is Even Bright night booster serum. I've been using this all my life and they are working for me nicely, so and I'm happy. I am happy. And then here comes a Bright. Oh, guys, I bought another TV. I'm done getting TV. We have room number 1. I'm using Samsung, which is my main bedroom. We have the guest bedroom. I'm using Skywealth. We have room number 3, the kids' room. We are going to use the Samsung. We have a living room. We are using Samsung. So I have 4 smart TVs. Every room has a TV now. I wonder who is calling. Oh, my little sister. Nana. Hi. Shapura. Yeah, but guys, we got a TV, Samsung Smart TV. It's 32-inch, the Smart TV. I think I'll show you correctly when we connect it, because we are going to connect it now. Oh, baby girl, orata cocomelon. So that's why I bought this Smart TV. The TV that you are using is not a Smart TV, so I'm taking it out. Here is the TV. Now, guys, we are going to show you now. Reconnect. Joanong, hota moment of silence. Guys, I'm so tired. Run away. I don't even know how to use this. For heaven's sake, I don't. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean I have a confession? I was thinking, I don't wanna lie. I feel like crying. Okay, this machine on Nespresso app is 10,000 rand. No? So it was on sale, 6,000. And they are currently running a sale right now. And then I have been eyeing this machine, I have been eyeing this, I have been eyeing it. And then I went to take a lot and I checked, but oh, okay, still 8,000. Hi, Kiri. On take a lot, much feel out for some few hours in or 5,000. I want this one. I'm not letting it slide. So I hope it's the one that I ordered. It has to be a white machine. Yeah, but I did ask for assistance. because I have no knowledge over this. I don't know anything. If there is somebody who knows this, it's Kamokelo Minyato. Guys, please watch her channel. Oh, shame. What's that? She has a good content. You can watch her all day. Mwaka umrata ulang hello na kupale nkele ka mohelo hla batho ba modimo a o sia go kenya ka mo ka mohelo ha so tsi vlog ibilo go blog a ka mohelo ha so ntse blog ke he emme ka nne sa bontshitse a amana ka kenya mo. So in other words, she say, can you please run the vlog for me? I want come here. So you are loved, my dear. If you are watching, my mom loves you. She even watched you before I can watch you. So yeah. So if you want anything to do with this, please keep expecting more, because it's specialist. Guys, so she knows everything. Even how to use it. I'm still going to contact her and call her and say, hi, please show me. So yeah, let's unbox.
Exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn up blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Hey guys, I wanna show you I bought for baby girl something at Pick and Pet Clothing. Oh shame, akusekhuhle. It's like a sleeping pajama. It's very nice. It's 150 and then it's 99 rand. Everyone, nice. Then we got another one. I don't really like this one, but it's very cute also. Just to sleep, it was on sale. Very nice. So baby girl, she's going to be cute. And then what's exciting, guys, so it's about time. So this is what all we got at Pick and Pay Clothing. We'll meet tomorrow because grocery. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another day of this vloggy. Honestly, I love this. It's very warm. And it's head to toe, babo. I can even do like this. And it is very warm. So yesterday we went for shopping. Oh, it was a lot. I feel like it was a rush content, I think, because I was all over. I was busy. Oh, I don't know if you guys understand. You have ever been in that situation where you are busy, you are trying to make things meet, and then I lost my card, my bank card. Yo, you know what? And I feel like, I don't know where did I lost it, because I did swipe go Pick and Pay clothing when I was buying my daughter something, and hey, inside Mr. Price, I think I lost it inside Mr. Price. There's a lot of update. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of changes that are happening in my life, and some big changes, I may say. So we are still trying to find a coping mechanism, to understand. And I just got back to work, and at work we are training new system. Now my life, there's a bit twist, there's a big change that is coming. So I'm still trying to find that coping mechanism. I feel like I'll tell you everything when like it's completed and everything, and I will let you know, because I can't come with crop top news. So when you see my vlogs, maybe they feel like they are rushed. Please bear with me. I am going through a lot in the background. And funny thing is, like pregnancy, that you cannot talk about it on the early stages. You will just be dying alone, having nausea, doing what, getting tired alone. Okay, let me update you. The train is done. I will show you shortly, but it took a toll on me. Like, it took a toll on me. I feel like I spent close to 1,000 rand to fix it, just because of trying to fix the problem rather than eliminating the problem. I tried to fix first, it failed, and then now I had to eliminate the problem and put a permanent fix, which I was supposed to do it from the onset. So the problem is that I went to buy this thing, train cleaner. That one that didn't work. I went back. I bought that expensive one. It did not work also, because the blockage was too much. I called somebody to unblock the drain. He started cutting the pipes. Oh my God. I show him guys clean. But he ended up coming right. Now I have to come to do what I was supposed to do, to call a plumber. I didn't even vlog the plumber. The guy that you saw on my first video, he was just coming to unblock the drain, and then he cut the pipes. Hello, sister, what? Loction vibe. So the plumber did a good job. I will show you that. And then that one is settled. And the other thing is that I bought my baby some few things. She's now starting to eat bandla. Baby things, I bought her this. It's nice. I've already used it. Yesterday I was in a rush. Soda. I did not do proper haul. And then the other thing is that thing that you put food and then she's sucking it. It's working so perfectly. So I can't see it, and I got baby khali. And And come surprise. Actually, I'm shooting another vlog inside this vlog. Come surprise, I wasn't actually going to buy for myself. There's a project that I'm working on that you will see when time goes. Or I got a project in Ghana. Somebody loved my work, and then she went like, you know what, can you do this for me also? From kitchen, Asham, she really trusted me. From designing the kitchen, I was Nikhil owner. Up to the bedroom, and I'm so happy because that's my friend's, my sister, and that's my sister's house. So I bought this additional cushion cover. You will see what I'm going to do with it. This is number 4. These are 179. Guys, I don't know if they are still there, but these are selling like peanuts. And then the thing that I want to show you is this one. Yeah, I get to show that. It's 40 rand just for my Nespresso machine. Currently, it's 40 rand and I love it. I bought 2 of them. 2 of those. Guys, I have an espresso machine, and like I said, I'm not familiar as such with it. So yeah, I'm still learning, honestly guys. I'm still learning. And like more kitchen in busy. So I think I have to cool down first and try to see so the way you no too much. There's a too much. Like countertop doesn't have to be like this. Mine is really too much, so no, I don't like it anymore. So I don't know if I will end up having a coffee station. I don't know, but if I will have one, I will see now where can I put it. So this says babies. I'm so happy. You can find them at Mr. Price. It's 40 rands. And then my car key got a little bit of lifting up. It's so nice. This is my remote. My garage was not working also, guys. This is my garage. My car key, like is for the gate, the remote of the gate. And those who know this, they know. You know, like gate, like garage, auto fair, lavatro. Yeah, it wasn't working, so I had to call in the other guy. It was working, but hey, there's a problem, like something like that. So I called it Monatwa Loction. Guys, if you don't afford life, please go and build your house collection. Because Monatwa Loction, what do you mean? I paid that guy 200 and my garage is fixed. Nicely so, perfectly so. Guys. If I was in the suburbs, I was going to pay 2,000. Yeah? My train is fixed. The plumber charged me 350. Guys, lotion is so affordable. If you don't afford life, you get a lotion. I don't want to lie. And I don't forget to hustle. Sell something. Guys, I will never stop telling you. And I'm so happy. There are more than 20 people that are commenting on my comment section saying, Hustler Mom, I have started selling. Hustler Mom, I have started this. And since that day, I don't regret that decision. And I say, High five, Mutasi. High five for a person who have started and saying, I am going to do something about my life. Guys, there is no 1 million that is waiting outside there that will say we'll start a business, a cute boutique, a top high class boutique. Start with whatever you have. Start with 20 rand, start with 200, start whatever money that you have. Please start selling something. Please. Like, honestly, I was even listening to Nomsa at the end of her video. She was stretching out independence. Remember, we are talking about Moto Aberekan. She's working 9 to 5, but she's stressing out on independence. So if we're now just please, she's stressing on independence. She's stressing on stand up for yourself. Have your own things. It doesn't matter. Even if it's 2 rand, because it's yours, it has a value. You will have a value because you will have a voice. I understand some people are married and you think, okay, things won't change. You'll never know. I always say, your man, my man, Ndadwabanaba, he's not different to any other man out there. They are not different. They are not. So if somebody does something on the outside, does this, and you feel like, oh, man will never do that, especially I'm a woman. I'm not special to any other woman out there. No, it won't happen to me, especially there's nothing special about me. There is nothing. There is totally nothing. And if you can take it from there, you'll stand up. You'll stand up. Have your own things, okay? That's the motivation. Have your own things, like guys. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to show you Rena the tray into how it looks on the outside, even though it's still cold. It's still in the morning.
It's not my fault.
So what happened is these pipes were, this side, this one, these pipes were going under these pipes were going underground. This was the lane. We have pipes here, so that's changed.
You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you.
Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, share with your friends, family, tell them about Hustler Mom. Please don't skip ads in all my videos. If you are busy, just let the video run. Bye guys, I love you.
It's